The Germans are here. So that red door is the one I've just come through with the commentary on. That must be the original entrance there. There's a few little bits that dart off down there. So this was the first part of the tunnels that was done, the air raid shelters. Just gives you a bit of information about the Blitz in Manchester and stuff. Manchester was hit very hard by the German bombs, incendiaries especially. Don't know where that one goes. This way. So let's get in. So you can still see the marks on the walls from the pneumatic drills that they used to carve this escape tunnel. Maybe that was one that went there. So when it originally built, this was supposed to hold 4,000 people, but they had to extend it because the bombs got so bad. So this must be one of the little rooms where you slept in, from the old beds there. Blackout today, 6:30 PM. Put that light out or you will be fined. Oh no, this must be where the warden stayed. Can't really see down there, but there's a corridor with some more beds in. So this is the stores for the tools. There's a tour of kids on at the minute and the woman singing to them. Sick bay. Brilliant. It's crazy to think that you get 4,000 people in here. Nursing mothers, a little section for the nursing mums. Let's see how far we can get in here. You can see at the end there, they must have blocked a lot of them off. But you can still get through little bits like this. Into first aid. So back onto the corridor I was just on.
Oh, so you get to be light monitor for the back of the group, it's really exciting. There we are.
Another store for the tools. I'm going to let that guide get past with them children before I carry on up there. So this is for the nurses only. Toilet not for public. I don't know if the public toilets were like this, then I thought they'd be a lot worse than that, to be honest with you. They don't look too bad at all. That's where I just come from in there. Don't tell me that you can't open a door. Don't know what that one's for. Little kitchen area, the canteen. How do you feed 4,000 people down here with that? Must have been quite a few canteens or something. Men this way, let's have a look. Now this is more what I was thinking for toilets. Stuff like that. Bloody hell. Is that your toilet roll, a bit of paper? I don't know if that's a tour or a commentary that's on. It's like an ant's nest under here, the tunnels that go off here and there. What else have we got? Men at work, keep out. That must be where they were extending the tunnels. A little pathway up there. I think that's the way that you're supposed to go, but I'm just going to show you this first. So this would have been in one of the air raid shelters that you would have had in your back garden with the corrugated iron there and sandbags on the top. We'll go this way. It's quite strange to be down here with like 4,000 other people. Quite cramped, but it wasn't cold though. Explore. If you would like to see the unlit tunnels and explore areas not normally accessible. Second Wednesday of every month at 7 PM. Oh, that's quite good. That'd be interesting because obviously it's not showing all the tunnels. That might be another possible video that for me to come back. Oh, so that's where I was looking up a minute ago. I wonder how much of this space they would have used. I wonder if that was another tunnel there, they bricked up now. Same with that there. So this must be the women's toilets now. Do you think they're going to be better or worse than the men's? Jesus. I think they're a bit worse, to be honest. At least the men had some toilet seats. Oh, there is some toilet seats in here. No toilet for all the old ladies. I'll just come up that way. Go through to this part. This is a bit of a darker area, I don't know why. No admission when doors are closed. I think there's some tunnels that go through there, but you can't see. So I think we've come to the end of the tour now. The Stockport Air Raid Shelters. I think that machine there is what sucks the air in and out. It keeps the air circulating. And it's through that bit as well. Yeah, so this is the end. Again, I hope you've enjoyed this today. See if we can get through here. Oh no, we can't. Thanks for watching as always.